Today we're going to talk about a new game-changing weapon that could redefine modern warfare, especially for the United States military. A Native American woman-owned company called Cummings Aerospace is ready to start mass-producing a deadly new drone called the Hellhound. But what exactly is the Hellhound? Why is it being called a kamikaze drone? And what does it tell us about the future of warfare? Let's break it down. The Hellhound is a type of loitering munition. Now what does that mean? It's basically a hybrid between a drone and a missile. It can fly around a target area, identify the enemy, and then dive in to strike, like a guided suicide drone. What makes it unique? Well, it's turbojet-powered, 3D printed, and weighs less than 25 pounds. Despite its small size, it can fly at speeds over 350 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its category. This allows it to stay in the air longer, search for targets with precision, and strike quickly when the opportunity arrives. Think of it as a smart flying hunter with a deadly payload. Loitering munitions are already playing a major role in conflicts like Ukraine, where drones have become essential for both surveillance and attacks. These weapons are cheaper than traditional missiles and more intelligent than basic drones, and that's where the Hellhound fits in perfectly. Cummings Aerospace says it's ready to produce the Hellhound at scale, thanks to its manufacturing readiness level 7. That means the production process is tested, instructions are documented, and they can start building units without waiting years for preparation. Their facility is located just outside Redstone Arsenal, one of the main Army testing grounds in Alabama. This location is strategic. It's close to the U.S. Army's program office, making coordination and testing much faster. So why is this important for the U.S. Army? Well, right now they are running a competition called LASSO, the Low-Altitude Stalking and Strike Ordnance Program. It's basically the Army's official search for a powerful loitering munition system. Cummings Aerospace plans to enter the Hellhound into this competition. If selected, they would need to produce at least 135 units, with 35 prototypes being tested first. And, considering the current momentum behind unmanned warfare, this could lead to thousands of orders in the future. So yes, this is not just about one drone, it's about being part of the next generation of warfare tools. One thing that makes the Hellhound stand out is its modular design. The entire system is built using commercially available 3D printers and standard hardware. This means the company isn't relying on expensive or rare parts. If something breaks or needs to be changed, it can be quickly modified and reprinted. It also uses an open systems architecture. That means you can plug in new sensors, processors, or software upgrades without needing to rebuild the entire drone. So as technology evolves, the Hellhound can evolve with it, without huge costs or delays. This is a very smart move, especially when global supply chains are unpredictable and technology is advancing so fast. Cummings Aerospace has already lined up multiple demonstrations. They plan to showcase the Hellhound to U.S. Special Operations Forces, the U.S. Navy, and even military allies in the United Kingdom. And here's the best part. They are not just focused on the U.S. market. The company is looking at global exports, especially to countries that want smart, fast, and flexible drone systems, but can't afford high-end missiles or aircraft. So yes, a Native American woman-owned company may soon be supplying cutting-edge drones across the world and challenging some of the biggest defense manufacturers out there. To summarize, Cummings Aerospace's Hellhound is fast, intelligent, cost-effective, and ready for production. In a world where drones are changing how wars are fought, this loitering munition could become a major player on the battlefield. It shows how innovation, smart design, and agile manufacturing can give small companies a real shot at competing with giants. The age of kamikaze drones is here, and the Hellhound might just lead the charge. If you found this breakdown helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. What do you think? Is the future of warfare unmanned? Let me know in the comments.